Are you ready to unlock the future of content creation? Imagine a tool so powerful that it can help you generate professional quality videos for your YouTube channel or social media in minutes. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to InVideo AI, an incredible platform that's taking video creation to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this tool has everything you need to streamline your workflow and elevate your content. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll not only guide you through the platform step by step, but also show you how to use it effectively for your next project. Let's dive in. Welcome to the homepage of InVideo AI. As you can see in the interface, this platform is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. At the top left corner, you have the Home button, which takes you back to this dashboard anytime. It's your central hub for managing all your projects. Right below that is the Media Library, a collection of assets you can use in your videos, from stock footage to sound effects. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with finding high-quality, royalty-free content. Moving further down, we see the Generative Pics section. This is where the magic happens. This feature allows you to create AI-powered content by generating text, images, and even titles. With just a few clicks, you can add a creative spark to your videos, saving you hours of brainstorming. On the left-hand sidebar, we also have the plugins section. This includes tools like Voices, where you can add realistic AI-generated voiceovers to your videos, and Text to Clip, which lets you convert written scripts into fully functional video clips. There's also the text-to-image option, perfect for generating visuals tailored to your script or storyline. Lastly, the preset library is a treasure trove for creators. Whether you're creating a short-form video, an explainer, or even an animated film, the pre-built templates in this library make it super easy to get started. Simply select a style, customize it, and you're good to go. That's a quick overview of the InVideo AI dashboard and its main features. But we're just getting started. In the next section, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your first project using this tool. Don't miss it! If you're as excited as I am about exploring this revolutionary platform, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Let's master InVideo AI together and make content creation faster, smarter, and more fun. Now that you're familiar with the interface of InVideo AI, let's move on to the exciting part, creating your very first project. Whether you want to create a short video for Instagram, an explainer for YouTube, or even a fully animated clip, this platform has you covered. In this section, I'll walk you through how to use the tools on this screen to turn your ideas into a polished video. Stick around because the customization options and AI-driven features are truly impressive. As we look at this section of the interface, the first thing you'll notice is the text input box. This is where you provide the platform with your topic, premise, and detailed instructions. You can write up to 32,000 characters here, which means there's plenty of room to outline your creative vision. For instance, if you're creating a promotional video, you can describe your brand's tone, key messages, and even the emotions you want to convey. Once your input is ready, simply click the Generate a Video button and let the AI do its magic. Below the input box, you'll see various quick start options like Create AI Shorts, Make AI Explainer, and Create Animated Film. These predefined workflows are designed to streamline the creative process for specific types of videos. For example, if you're working on a YouTube short, selecting Create AI Shorts will automatically tailor the video format, length, and style to suit platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok. Another standout feature on this screen is the Use My Script option. This allows you to directly upload or paste an existing script if you already have one prepared. The AI analyzes your script and generates visuals, animations, and voiceovers based on your text. This is a fantastic way to save time if you've already done the planning and just need the execution handled seamlessly. At the bottom of the screen, there are additional workflow options and plugins. The Workflows button lets you explore and customize specific creative paths, such as generating cinematic intros or crafting storytelling sequences. The Plugins button opens up an advanced menu of tools that integrate with external software or add-ons, making it even easier to elevate your content. Finally, the simplicity of this layout is designed to keep you focused. By having everything you need right in front of you, you can experiment freely without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're generating a video from scratch or tweaking one of the many templates, this platform ensures a smooth and enjoyable user experience. That's it for setting up your first project with in-video AI. In the next section, I'll take you through the customization process, where we'll add text, images, animations, and voiceovers to bring our video to life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you're finding this guide helpful. Stay tuned, because the next part is where the real fun begins. Alright, now let's dive into the third and most exciting part of this AI-powered video creation tool. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to fully customize your video production step by step. Here's how you can make the most out of it. First up, at the top of the interface, you'll see a prompt asking you to create a rapid cut short video for YouTube. This means the tool is designed for fast-paced, energetic content, perfect for grabbing your audience's attention. Below that, there's a text box where you can type your topic. It's as simple as entering your idea, and the AI will do the rest. Moving on to the settings, there are several customizable options to tailor the video to your needs. The first option lets you choose to use only generated media. This is great if you want the AI to handle everything from scratch, using its own generated assets. No need to upload additional content. It's all AI-powered. Next, you can select the vibe for your background music. By default, it's set to fast and energetic, which is ideal for keeping your viewers engaged. However, you might have other options to explore, depending on your video's mood and purpose. Then, you can set the language for the video. Here, it's set to English, but there may be options to adapt this to your audience's preferred language. This makes the tool incredibly versatile for creators worldwide. In the subtitle section, you'll see the option to add any subtitle. This is a great feature if you want your videos to be more accessible or visually engaging. You can customize how subtitles appear, adding a professional touch to your content. Voice customization is another standout feature. Here, it says, use any voice, and there are typically male, female, or even AI-synthesized voice options to choose from. This flexibility allows you to match the voiceover to the tone of your video perfectly. Further down, there's an option to include a watermark labeled Use Watermark Text. This is fantastic for branding, especially if you're uploading to platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Simply input your text and it will appear subtly on the video. For audio quality, you'll notice it's set to Use the best audio available. This ensures that the sound is crisp and clear, which is crucial for professional-looking content. Finally, there's the design style option, where Disney Pixar is highlighted. This indicates the overall aesthetic for the video. Imagine colorful, high-quality visuals inspired by Pixar's storytelling charm. It's truly next level. And that's it for today's video. If you're excited to create stunning videos effortlessly and take your content to the next level, this AI tool is your ultimate game changer. The customization options, from music and subtitles to visuals and voiceovers, make it a powerhouse for any creator, whether you're just starting out or already a pro. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the results firsthand. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you can save while still producing professional, high-quality content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you're enjoying this type of content. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss out on our latest tips, tools, and tutorials to supercharge your content creation journey. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know what type of video you'll create with this amazing AI tool. I read every comment, and I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative!